So how you can see, all the components from the e-brake system, they got broken somewhere inside, and then there's a hole on top in the backing plate. You can see that. Yeah, and that's why the tire got stuck, because he has some springs out of the plates.
So yeah, basically e-brake just broke off inside of the...
E-brake is broken off inside the brake rotor.
And it's just catching and making a bunch of noise.
That's what it is. Take out the wheel out, the rotor, brake pads, and figure out what is damaged inside.
Cool. Awesome.
That's what it is.
Thanks, dude.
Thank you.